In this question, it is given that two raindrops each reach the earth with a different terminal velocities. Have the ratio of terminal velocity is given as something but 9 is to 4. The ratio of their volume is. So we know the equation for terminal velocity, that is 2 divided by 9 into r square into acceleration due to gravity g into density of object minus density of liquid divided by coefficient of viscosity eta. So you can write this terminal velocity is directly proportional to r square. So from this we can write the terminal velocity in first case by terminal velocity in second situation will be equal to r1 divided by r2 the whole square. Or you can write the value of r1 by r2 is equal to under root of this terminal velocity, which is 9 divided by 4. So we can write this as 3 divided by 2. So in question they're asking to find out the ratio of their volume. So volume, we can write the equation as 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we can write volume is directly proportional to r cube. So we can write this v1 by v2 is equal to r1 by r2 raised to 3. So this is like 3 by 2, r1 by r2 is 3 by 2 raised to 3. So we can write this is equal to 27 divided by 8.